All right, here we go. Today, I'm going to show you how businesses are using AI to answer every single call and message. Even at 2 in the morning, this thing books appointments while you're sleeping. It never takes a day off. And the craziest part, it costs less than hiring one part-time employee. I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works, show you the actual tool doing its thing, and by the end of this, you'll see why this might be the biggest shift in how small businesses operate. Hey there, so if it wasn't already obvious, I'm Nick Ponte's AI avatar. While the real Nick is busy helping businesses with Mina Marketing, Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, I'm here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And listen, if you're serious about landing some AI subscription-based customers, grab my 4-part AI fast-track training that I am currently offering for free. The link's in the description. All right, now let's get into it. So here's the deal. Most small businesses are bleeding money, and they don't even know it. Every missed call is a lost customer. Every text that sits unanswered for 3 hours means someone else got that sale. And here's the thing that blows my mind. The average business misses about 40% of their calls. 40%. That's almost half of your potential customers going straight to your competition because nobody picked up the phone. Think about this. You're a plumber. Someone's toilet is overflowing at 9 p.m. They call you. No answer. They call the next plumber. That guy picks up. Guess who gets the job? Not you. This happens over and over. Nights, weekends, lunch breaks. So what if there was a way to answer every single call, every text, every Instagram DM, every Facebook message automatically, and not just answer them, actually have real conversations, qualify the lead, book the appointment, all of it? This is where HighLevel's new AI updates come in. Voice AI and conversation AI that actually sound human and can handle complex conversations. HighLevel just dropped massive updates. Voice AI that takes inbound and outbound calls, conversation AI that handles texts, Instagram DMs, Facebook messages, even TikTok DMs. These AI agents book appointments into your calendar, send confirmations, handle reschedules, and follow up. The numbers are crazy. Over 500,000 AI agents created, almost 5 million completed calls, over 20,000 appointments booked just from voice AI, growing 73% month over month. Let me break this down. Voice AI handles phone calls. Someone calls, AI picks up, sounds like a real person, asks questions, books them, done. Conversation AI handles everything text-based. Someone fills out a form at 2 a.m., AI responds in under a minute. Instagram DM, AI responds. Facebook message, AI responds. It's like having a receptionist that works every single hour. You can train these AI agents on your specific business, feed it your services, pricing, availability, how you talk to customers. It's customized to you. They increase the prompt length from 2,000 to 4,000 words for voice AI. For conversation AI, it went up to 15,000 words. Way more information so it handles complex situations. The AI handles multiple calendars, 3 service providers, it knows who's available and books the right calendar. It sends images and voice notes. It does smart auto follow-ups. Someone ghosts you, AI waits a day and reaches back out. Quick story. I used to work full-time as a mechanic, hands covered in grease every day, trading hours for dollars. Then I started learning about AI automation, marketing systems. I realized I could help businesses use this to grow while building my own income online. Now I'm running Mina Marketing and teaching thousands. Tools like HighLevel made that possible. Here's where people mess up. They think they need to automate everything. Wrong. The goal is to catch every opportunity and hand off qualified ones to your team. AI handles repetitive stuff. Your team focuses on service and closing deals. If you're finding this valuable, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. The real Nick Ponte reads every comment on these videos, so drop a comment below. And hey, if you're serious about taking your business to the next level with AI, grab my 4-part AI fast-track training that I'm currently offering for free. It also includes an exclusive link to try out the AI software I use in my business for 30 days free. The link's in the description. Let's talk about what this looks like in the real world. Home service businesses, plumbers, HVAC companies, electricians, roofers. These guys live and die by phone calls. They're out in the field all day. Can't answer their phone while on a ladder or under a sink. Voice AI solves that instantly. Every call gets answered. Medical and dental offices, they spend so much on front desk staff just to answer phones and book appointments. When it gets busy, calls go to voicemail. With AI handling the basic appointment booking, the front desk can focus on patient care. Real estate agents, you're showing a house. Phone rings, can't answer. That lead calls 3 other agents. Voice AI picks up, qualifies them, books a showing. New client while working with another client. Auto repair shops, someone's car breaks down. They call at 7 p.m. You're closed. AI answers, books them for first thing tomorrow morning. They're not calling 10 other shops because you were first to respond. Now let's talk about the money side. HighLevel just changed their pricing and it's actually better. Voice AI used to have all these extra fees. Now it's just 6 cents per minute plus token costs. Until December, they're waiving the per minute fee completely. Just token costs. Test this for basically nothing. Conversation AI is going to token costs only starting in November. Agent Studio, which lets you build custom AI agents that can do pretty much anything, also token costs only. More affordable while adding more features. Here's the kicker. A bunch of their AI tools are now completely free. Workflow AI free, email builder AI free, funnel and website AI free, knowledge base AI free, custom objects free on all plans that used to cost almost $300 a month. If you're running an agency or offering services to local businesses, you can now build these AI systems for clients at a fraction of what it used to cost. Your margins just got way better. Let me show you how to think about this as a service. Package this as a complete AI appointment booking system. You set up their voice AI agent, train it on their business, set up conversation AI for text and social media messages, connect it to their calendar, build out some automated follow-up workflows, the whole thing. What could you charge for that? Setup fee of $3,000 to $5,000, monthly management of $1,000 to $2,000. You're barely spending anything on the actual software costs. The value you're providing is massive. You're helping them capture way more leads and book way more appointments. The ROI for them is obvious. Here's a real example. You've got a client who's a dentist. They're currently missing 30 calls a week. That's 120 missed calls a month. If 20% of those calls would have booked an appointment, that's 24 appointments they're losing every month. Average appointment is worth $200. That's $4,800 in lost revenue every month. You charge them $1,500 a month to solve that problem. No brainer for them. The cool thing is, this scales. You're not trading time for money once you've got it set up. The AI runs itself. You just monitor performance and make tweaks when needed. You could be managing 10, 20, 30 of these clients without needing a massive team. Now let's talk about mistakes people make with this. Biggest one is overcomplicating it. You don't need to automate every single thing on day one. Start simple. Get the AI answering calls and booking appointments. Once that's running smooth, add more features. Another mistake is not training the AI properly. Give it good information about your business, how you talk to customers, common questions people ask, your pricing, your services. The more detailed you are upfront, the better it performs. Here's something else that's huge. HighLevel now supports multiple AI models, GPT-4, GPT-5, Claude 4, Gemini 2.5. Different models are better at different things. Some are faster, some are better at complex reasoning, some are cheaper. Pick the right model for the job. They also just launched Voice AI outbound calling. You can have the AI make calls to confirm appointments, follow up with leads who didn't book, do customer satisfaction surveys. It's not just reactive anymore, it's proactive. And TikTok integration just went live. Conversation AI responds to TikTok DMs and comments. If you've got clients getting traction on TikTok but can't keep up with all the messages, this is a game changer. The opportunity right now is to be the person who helps businesses implement this. You don't need to be a tech genius. Just understand how it works and be able to set it up for people who don't have the time or knowledge. That's a valuable service. Businesses will pay good money for it. Here's what I do starting today. Pick a niche. Plumbers. Go find 20 plumbing companies in your area. Call them. Ask them how many calls they're missing each week. Tell them you can solve that problem with an AI system. Charge $3,000 for setup and $1,000 a month to manage it. Even if only one of those 20 say yes, you just created an extra $1,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Once you've got a few clients and you know the system works, scale it, find more plumbers in other cities, expand to other home service businesses, electricians, roofers, window installation. The process is the same across all of them. You're just copying what works. Now, if you want to go even deeper on this, learn how to actually land these high-paying AI clients and build this into a real business, I've got something for you. My 4-part AI fast-track training breaks down exactly how to do this step by step. I'm offering it completely free right now. You also get access to a free 30-day trial of the best AI software tool that I use. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Look, the bottom line is this. AI is changing how businesses operate. The ones that adapt are going to win. The ones that ignore it are going to struggle. If you position yourself as the person who helps businesses make this transition, you're going to do very well. This isn't some future thing. It's happening right now. The tools are here. The demand is massive. You just got to take action. All right, that's it for this one. Make sure you drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Are you going to try offering this as a service? What niche are you going to go after? The real Nick reads every single comment, so don't be shy. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.